Welcome to Supreme Luxury, where power meets elegance and automotive dreams become reality. Today, we dive into a machine that redefines performance, exclusivity, and bold expression, the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue Novitec Esteso V12. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience sculpted for those who demand intensity, precision, and unmistakable presence in every moment on the road. At first glance, this masterpiece commands attention with an aggressive stance that feels both purposeful and artistic. The Novitec Esteso Widebody transformation takes the already striking Purosangue and amplifies its visual drama. Every contour has been reimagined to deliver a more muscular, more dominant personality. The widened proportions give it a planted, almost predatory look, as if it's constantly ready to unleash its full potential. Carbon fiber enhancements elevate both aesthetics and aerodynamics, making every line feel intentional and engineered for performance. The craftsmanship is extraordinary. Each detail reflects a meticulous approach, where precision meets passion. The extended arches blend seamlessly into the body, creating a harmonious yet powerful silhouette. Lightweight materials ensure that performance is not compromised while enhancing the vehicle's structural integrity. This is the kind of design that doesn't just follow trends, it sets them. Beneath the sculpted exterior lies the heart of a true legend, a naturally aspirated V12 engine that roars with authority. In a world shifting toward this powerhouse stands as a tribute to raw mechanical excellence. The engine delivers breathtaking acceleration, producing an exhilarating surge of power that feels endless. Every press of the throttle unleashes a symphony that resonates deep within, reminding you why the V12 remains one of the most celebrated configurations in automotive history. Novitec's performance upgrades push this engine beyond standard limits. Enhanced tuning refines throttle response, optimizes power delivery, and ensures that every drive feels sharper and more engaging. The exhaust system is engineered to amplify the natural sound, creating a deep, rich tone that evolves into an electrifying scream at higher revs. It's not just about speed, it's about emotion, about connection, about feeling every heartbeat of the machine. Handling is equally remarkable. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to provide an exceptional balance between comfort and control. Adaptive systems ensure that the ride remains smooth when cruising, yet instantly stiffens when performance demands arise. The widened track improves stability, giving the driver confidence to push limits without hesitation. Every corner becomes an opportunity to explore precision. Every straight, a chance to unleash pure power. The wheels designed exclusively for this variant play a crucial role in both aesthetics and performance. Larger dimensions enhance grip and contribute to the aggressive stance. Wrapped in high-performance tires, they provide exceptional traction, ensuring that the immense power is translated efficiently onto the road. The braking system complements this setup with incredible stopping power, offering reassurance even at high speeds. Step into the cabin, and the experience transforms into a blend of luxury and innovation. The environment is crafted with premium materials that exude sophistication. Fine leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents create a space that feels both sporty and refined. Attention to detail is evident in every stitch, every surface, every element carefully chosen to deliver a sense of exclusivity. Technology seamlessly integrates into this luxurious setting. Advanced displays provide all the necessary information without overwhelming the driver. Everything is designed to enhance focus and engagement. Controls are intuitive, allowing effortless interaction with the vehicle's features. It's a space that adapts to your needs, whether you're enjoying a relaxed journey or pushing the car to its limits. Comfort has not been overlooked. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the Purosangue Novitec Esteso offers a level of practicality that makes it suitable for longer drives. Seating is supportive and designed to keep occupants comfortable. Even during spirited driving, there's a sense of versatility here, a rare combination where extreme performance meets everyday usability. Driving this machine is an experience unlike any other. The connection between driver and vehicle feels immediate and responsive. Steering is precise, offering feedback that allows you to understand the road beneath. Acceleration is instant, delivering a surge of adrenaline that never gets old. The sound, the feel, the power, it all comes together to create a driving experience that is both thrilling and unforgettable. This vehicle isn't just about numbers or specifications. It's about the emotion it evokes. It's about the feeling of being in control of something truly extraordinary. Every journey becomes an event. Every drive, a story worth telling. It's a statement of individuality, a reflection of passion, a celebration of automotive excellence. Exclusivity is another defining aspect. This is not a car you see every day. It's designed for those who appreciate rarity and craftsmanship. Owning one is not just about having a hype vehicle, it's about being part of a select group that understands and values true luxury and performance. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue V12 stands at the intersection of innovation and tradition. It embraces modern advancements while staying true to the essence of what makes a performance machine truly special. It's a reminder that even in an evolving automotive landscape, there is still a place for raw power, for emotional connection, for machines that stir the soul. As you imagine yourself behind the wheel, you can almost feel the anticipation building. The engine comes to life with a roar that sends chills down your spine. The road stretches ahead, inviting you to explore, to push boundaries, to experience freedom in its purest form. This is more than just driving it, a journey into the extraordinary. And that's what supreme luxury is all about, bringing you closer to the world's most incredible machines, sharing the passion, the innovation, and the stories behind them. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue Novitec Esteso V12, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Supreme Luxury for more content that celebrates the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Stay tuned, because the next masterpiece is just around the corner.